What we're gonna do is get into a lunge position. Try to be about 90, maybe a little above. We're gonna rotate, slam the ball in, catch, and then go again. So the goal with this one is to work on really glute, adductor, core strength, anything you're gonna need in athletics to work on those explosive movements. So I'm gonna have you come in here, hold the ball. See if you can get into a lunge, perfect. Rotate and slam, nice. Now, similarly to some other exercises we've been doing, try and keep your knee, yes, good. And then go ahead. You don't want your knee to arch in. Keep those glutes active. Very nice. Good. What's nice about this one is you get the reactive catching. In sports and athletics, you always have to, react pretty quickly. Let's do one more. And then why don't we do the other side? Because you do always work the back leg as well. Nice. Yeah, okay. So this one looks like we might need to work on a little bit of ankle stability too. You can see it's sort of shaking around, but keep that knee a little bit, yes, good. Nice. Try and drive your big toe into the ground a little bit more. Okay. Now, there you go, better. Let's do 4 more. That looks pretty stable. That looks actually a lot better. 2, 3, and awesome.